Thanks for calling Globe. We're here to make it easy for you to get the help you need. If you want to report an issue with your internet connection, calls, or text, press 1. If you are calling from 0945-344-4220. If your concern is about this number, press 1. If you are calling for a different mobile or landline number, press 2. Sorry, the number you've entered is invalid. Please try again. You are calling from 0945-344-4220. If your concern is about this number, press 1. Please wait while I pull up your account information. Hi. Thanks for calling Globe. Our customer service representatives are available to help you every day from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. We hope for your patience as we keep each other safe during this difficult time. We are committed to helping you stay connected. You may use the Globe One of Globe at Home app to monitor your usage, view your bill, or subscribe to promos. Thank you and stay safe at home.